Hi, in this video we'll walk you through the installation of the second generation Perun Moto top luggage rack for the Yamaha Ténéré 700. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the contents of the kit. Inside the package you'll find two side brackets, left hand and right hand side, one top luggage rack plate, 4 spacers, 4 M8 countersunk bolts, 4 M8 countersunk 3D washers, 4 M6 countersunk bolts, 4 M6 flat washers and 4 M6 safety nuts. All required mounting hardware is included. No additional parts are needed. Basic wrenching skills and tools are needed for installation. A TX40 Torx bit, 4 and 5 mm Allen keys and a 10 mm wrench. Start by removing the stock bolts from the rear of the bike. Once removed, make sure the threaded holes in the subframe are free of debris. Repeat this step on both sides. Next, pre-assemble the Perun Moto rack on a flat surface. Insert the M6x20 countersunk bolts into the top plate as shown. Flip the plate upside down and rest it on a flat surface. Align one of the side brackets and loosely secure it using the flat washers and M6 safety nuts. At this stage, tighten the nuts by hand only. Repeat the same process with the other side bracket. Once completed, your pre-assembly should look like this. Now it's time to install the rack onto the bike. Carefully position the rack assembly onto the tail section. Insert the supplied spacers into the front mounting holes as shown. Insert the M8x55 countersunk bolts together with the 3D countersunk washers. Thread them in by hand, just enough to engage the threads. Next, insert the spacers into the rear mounting holes. It helps to slightly lift the rear of the rack during this step. Use the same M8x55 bolts and 3D washers, again tightening by hand only. Once all bolts are in place, check that the rack is properly aligned. Then tighten the M8 bolts to 15 Nm. To finalize the installation, tighten the M6 bolts to 6 or 7 Nm. After a few rides, make sure to recheck and retighten all bolts to the specified torque. That completes the installation. Thanks for watching and, as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.